Alright guys, so we're doing another little bass fishing video. This time we're taking John boat out, but actually Miss Bridget Lynn was gifted one from her grandmother. It's like an 18, it's a 14-foot John boat. We're just going to see if it floats today and hopefully catch a few bass, and we'll go from there. We'll probably also have a little fishing contest as always. Someone claims she always catches the most and always catches the biggest. It is her birthday today, so I hope she at least does one of the two. So we're going to get the John boat in the water, and we'll see what we can do. Here you go, guys. She got the first one. Surprise, surprise. You want me to take it off? Kiss it. Hey, this pond's big enough, hon, that I don't have to constantly be. There you go, guys. Got another one. One's a little bigger. Here we go, guys. That one's the biggest one yet. He's at least a pound. There you go. Number one for me. Bridget's got two. What? No, it didn't. Must have been my line. Here's number three for her, guys. Another good one. Ow! Alright, there's number three for her. Hook myself. There you go. Huh? There's nothing wrong with it. Here's number two for me, guys. About like the other pond, they're all about the same size. Nice little fish. There's number 4 for her. Doing good, smoking them. Are you kidding me? So I popped it out and it went into his toe. Yep. Yeah, there's number 4 for her. I think this one's done. This side. Huh? Because I've already pinched it off once, honey. It's missing a bunch of its pinchers. I think it's done. You have another one I'll put on for you. Or do you want me to use one of mine? Thank you. If you guys couldn't hear that, she's making fun of my athletic skills. Yes, honey. Yes, honey. Alrighty, boo. You're good to go. So, guess while I was doing hers, looked like mine got yoinked pretty good. It was pretty tore up. Let's see if I got more. Alright guys, this number 5 for her. There she goes, guys. She can land it. That'll be 6, guys. Feisty now. There he goes, guys. And I got my fishing hook and finger. It's like 6 to, well, how many do I have, hon? 3? Maybe. Maybe 2. I don't know how much like actual footage you guys will be able to see. It's getting pretty dark now. I'm gonna catch one more. Guys. So she almost had 7 guys, but it was barely bigger than the bandito bug. Hold on. What? Alright guys, that was like right at the boat. That's either 3 or 4 for me. Probably do one more cast and we'll get out of here. Alright guys, so Bridget's 14-foot John boat did the job. She outfished me again. I'm still going to say it's because I was running the trolling motor. Of course, you guys can say what you want. But, so we're probably going to, in the next couple of weeks, months, whatever, get her cleaned up and paint and do whatever Bridget wants to do with her. But this one, which is the one I got, she just needs cleaned up a little, but other than that, she is clean. However, guys, I want you to comment down below what you guys think I ought to name her. I really don't care. It just needs to be a good name. So if you guys comment down below after you guys watch the video and tell me what you think I ought to name her, one of you guys might be picked for the name that you're going to do. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Hope you guys make sure to like and subscribe, guys, down below, and we'll catch you on the next one.